All right, guys, here is something that I don't typically do very often. Is just shoot little smaller videos with just showing each video sample. So here is 4K 60 from the brand new Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8. Now, some of you guys are going to say the 8 wide, and so I'm shooting in wide angle. And let me switch to the standard lens. There you go. That's the standard lens. And let's do some zooming. Let's do some zooming here. Let's go. And folks, that is how far it will zoom. It will zoom 10. I'm on 4K 60, as you can see if you're viewing this. So that's how far it will zoom. So I wanted to just show you exactly how it is. Now, it is a windy day out, so I'm using a wind filter with an external microphone. But I'll try to remember. I'll unplug this and show you what this phone can do with no microphone, because it's going to be really nice to show you the footage and just how well this phone could do with no microphone in a very, very windy day out. So let's go around the car. I'm just moving also. I'm still in wide angle for my standard video for this car, or for this phone. So I like how this looks so far. Don't run up. You know what it look here. Don't run up. You know what it is. You're gonna get your feelings hurt. You know what it is. Nah, seriously though, folks, this phone is really good. I love that beautiful cloud up there. You can just see everything. Now let me see. I'll go ahead and pause and take this mic off real quick. I'll unplug the mic. All right, now I got the mic in my hand right here with the receiver, as you can see here, and it is not plugged up. And let's see how Samsung's phone can do in this windy day. Can you even tell that it's windy, or is it canceling out the sound or the wind really good? I'm moving my voice around. I'm not staying right behind the phone or whatever. What do you guys think? Gonna go wide again. Yeah. Now let me put the mic back in. All right, got the mic back in. So hopefully the mic audio comes back. I wonder how I'll hear it with you. I'll hear how good this phone did with you. So I wanted to shoot. This phone also does 8K. And shout out to all the creators who do samples and small clips like this. I know sometimes you guys don't want to see short clips like this, but some of you guys do. But I don't like to do like the shorts on YouTube for some reason. I just don't like to do them sometimes. But you know, some of you guys like shorts. I don't like doing shorts all the time. But I just wanted to show you the phone in its entirety with 4K 60 UHD. This is a beautiful phone. I like shooting in the wide angle lens. It doesn't have a telephoto lens, but the 10x zoom with 4K 60 is pretty doggone good. It's pretty doggone good. Let's back up and zoom in on the car real quick. Hold on. I think that's pretty doggone good, but I'll watch it back with you. And I'm moving around in this video for the wind, because it's super windy out here. And then also the stability at 4K 60. Remember back in the day, 4K 60 would look like a mess. Just any of the phones that didn't have stability, they would look a mess, folks. They would look a mess. But anyway, 4K 60 UHD, it's looking pretty good. What do you think? I'll see you in the next video.